Alright, smack dab in the middle of my usually scheduled videos, I am dropping a really quick one for you guys because I wanted to let you know about Amazon Prime Day coming up October 7 to 8. And with Anker products, you can save up to 61% off. I know, sounds like a sales pitch, but I mean it is, because I've been running Anker products for a while and I've actually enjoyed them a ton. And now is like the perfect time for you to take advantage of this humongous sale that they have going on. If you've been looking for a power bank, you can get stuff like the C300, the C300 DC, you have the C1000 and this mighty behemoth F3800, which is great for like home power backup system type of thing. I mean, look, this thing is so big, it's about as big as me. Honestly, for me, I've actually been really liking this one. This is the C300 DC, and this has come with me on almost every trip because it's so simple and so compact and easy to carry. There are no AC ports on this, hence C300 DC. It's all just USB ports. So this is perfect for charging up devices, charging up camera batteries, powering you up if you need to do some work on your laptop. Like, this is just the perfect thing to bring. Plus, it has this little lantern at the top that makes it easy to see when you're like in your tent, or in my case, at the top of my camper. Now, usually if I can't take this one, I'm taking this one. This is the C300, and this one does have AC ports. Just remember, these are the same power outputs. They're 300 watts with 288 watt hours. So you're getting the same amount of power, but it all just depends if you want an AC port or if you don't. So that's why this is kind of my favorite. Small and compact, but if I do need that AC port, this is always a go-to as well. And this also has a light. However, if you are looking for that power because you're running a fridge, you're using it for cooking, you're also using it to charge up stuff, and basically overall battery use, the Anker C1000. This one has 1800 watts with 10,056 watt hours. However, if you're like living out of your vehicle, maybe an RV, and you need everything to run off of your power bank, the F3800. I mean, this thing is huge. This is like a home backup type of generator thing that I keep here at the house. We're in the middle of hurricane season right now, and this is topped off, ready to go in case power goes out. We have something that can really power up pretty much everything in our house if we wanted it to. But just to give you an idea of the kind of sale you're going to be seeing, with a C100, it's normally priced at $999, and during Prime Day, it's going to be like around $449. And then for the F3800, normally it's $3,999 or $4,000. But during Prime Day, it's going to be brought down to $2,499 or $2,500. I mean, that's a pretty huge savings. Just double check on Prime Day what the actual prices are. They haven't really told us what definitively the pricing is going to be, but it's going to be up to 61% off. So that's a huge savings that you should definitely take advantage of. See, that was painless. Probably fastest video I've ever made. All right, I got to get back to working on this thing.
Does anybody even see me?